all started back in 2015 when my first grandson was born in London. At that time, so many popular baby products like Johnson's had been banned due to some harmful ingredients. And I was worried because he had a very sensitive skin. Being in a different country, I could not carry Indian oil, puttans or homemade remedies on the flight. The things every Indian grandmother trusts for baby care. So I thought if I cannot carry my tradition with me, I will recreate them in such a way that can travel easily. So I began experimenting in my kitchen, blending goat milk, malai, kesar, haldi, neem, tulsi or rose petals, ingredients straight from the nature into gentle and chemical-free soup. Kids today, they dislike the stickiness and smell of that puttan. So I want to create something in a way that they can actually love and enjoy it. So what started as a nani's love for his grandchild slowly turned into a beautiful journey. Everyone who used that soap, they felt their warmth and purity. And that's how the soap company of Nani was born. The traditions, love and grandmother's heart. I have always had the deep love for plants, herbs and nature's healing power. Having master's degree in botany, I have spent years in understanding the science behind plants. That's how each leaf, root and flower carries its own natural properties to nourish and protect and heal. Beetroot extract is one of my favorite. It gives lovely pink hue and add glow and enhance the properties of the skin. Making so many soaps at a time, it was sometimes challenging also, but I like every step of making soap, just to make soap base and pour in oil and ingredients whatever I like to make, and every step cutting the bars and mold, every step melting, blending and pouring, everything I like, and just like as a meditation. At 67, instead of slowing down, I found a spark in me. Every soap I make is made of love, patience and blessings. The team of Happy to Age, especially Sugandhi, is incredibly supportive. They constantly remind me to believe in myself and that it is never too late to start something new. So their workshops, group activities and personal interactions may help me to rediscover myself, my creativity. They guided me with gentle motivation, whether it is sharing of ideas or appreciating my soap making experiments. That environment of positivity and sisterhood made me feel young, capable and full of purpose again. The moments that stands out the most when I shared my handmade soap with everyone at Happy to Age. Their appreciation, their encouragement and the smile. It is just like a new chapter begin in my for the first time in years. I felt truly seen for years who I am and what I love doing. Absolutely. I recommend every seniors to join Happy to Age. It is a family who gave you joy, confidence and purpose. Here you meet with your people of your age and they share positivity and energy. It really makes life beautiful. Happy to Age has been a blessing in my life. It has not only helped me to rediscover my creativity but also helped me to keep myself physically, mentally, emotionally fit. What started as a small factor just to spend fun time together become such a big factor that shaping me into who I am today. Through their workshops and the warmth of the community, I found joy, confidence, and friendships. I started expressing myself through soaps and experimenting fearlessly, believing that age is not a number. We can do anything to learning something new. And the happy to age turn gave me a wings to turn my passion into the soap company by now. Many times after retirement or when the children grow get busy and in their jobs, we think that we are old, we cannot do anything. The happy to age gave us the reason to live life, with, listen, create something, and enjoy each and every. They gave us content, joy, friends, and the purpose. Happy to age reminds us that life does not stop at any age. We should not just sit back and that our time has passed. We can learn new things. We can meet with new people and create something new. At 67, at the age of 67, when I launched a soap company, which I cannot do without the help of Happy to Age. It felt like finding a part of myself I had forgotten for years. My life revolved around family, children, and responsibilities, and my love for nature and herbs quietly took a back seat. And when I started making soap again, it was just like rekindling an old friendship. Every fragrance, every ingredient reminds me that who truly I am, and someone who loves creating, nurturing, and healing by through nature. At this age, I wake up excited because I'm creating something very beautiful with my own hand. It feels truly magical.
Hi Sugandhi and the entire team of Happy to Age. A big gratitude from my heart for my mother. As you know, she has launched her business officially, The Soap Company by Nani, on her 67th birthday couple of weeks ago. Something which she started doing 10 years, almost 11 years ago, when her first grandchild was born in London, and she felt the need to carry Upton and all those Indian legacy that Indian grandmother would want to put on a grandchild, but she could not carry from here, and that transformed into those handmade soaps. So something which she has been doing for her family and for extended family, for her grandkids. Finally, after 10 years, she could get the confidence, and we could get the confidence that now the time has come right to take this bird and to take this leap and go to the next level and officially launch it at the age of 67. And the entire credit goes to you and to Happy to Age. I mean, the way you got the best out of her. She has been very talented. She had lot of things stuck inside her when it comes to naturopathy, when it comes to creativity, when it comes to using nature for your health. But mentally, physically, emotionally, the kind of push, the shining that she needed, Happy to Age gave her exactly that push. As they say, even the eagles need a push, and that push came from Happy to Age. So as I'm telling you, mentally, physically, emotionally, she's in such a beautiful space right now. She laughs out so loudly with all her heart. She enjoys every moment of her life. She is way painless, and she is that confident woman who wants to take her dreams to the next level. Finally, at this age, after pursuing it and carrying this something for 10-12 years, and now she had the courage to do it, and the entire credit goes to Happy to Age. So me as a daughter, I'm really grateful to you to bring out the best in her. She, as I say, somewhere felt she was very suppressed, being a typical Indian mother, gave all her life to us, to her family, to her husband, to her kids, to her grandkids. But now, because of you all, she has started living it for herself, and we really want to push her. We want to take this venture of hers international, and I think she is also ready for it. Initially, whenever I brought that idea out to her, she was hesitant. She was not so ready because she didn't feel that confident mentally, physically, emotionally. She didn't feel the strength. But now, thanks to Happy to Age, I feel every part of her body is working so, functioning so beautifully well. Emotionally, she is at the peak of her health. She laughs, she is so happy from within, and that shows in her confidence, that shows in her body language, that shows in her mindset. And thank you. I'm always going to be grateful to you. I would love for others who are watching this to take this opportunity, that it's never too late to come out of your shell. If it's never too late to work on your mind and body, become painless, and start pursuing your dreams, because life is too beautiful to let it go. Thank you so much, Sugandhi. Thank you, entire team of Happy to Age. I'm always grateful. Thanks.